there is no male member of parliament. I mean, technically, there is no member of parliament who is supposed to be a male in Uganda constitution. First, the statement may sound ridiculous, but let's look at the composition of the Uganda parliament. The constitution in the composition provides for only woman member of parliament and the directly elected member of parliament. Now, the directly elected member of parliament, the directly elected member of parliament can either be a man or a woman. That means that women can contest as a woman member of parliament or as a directly elected member of parliament. Now, the reason as to why the constitution has provided for a composition like that is to promote women's rights, to promote gender equality. So a lot of people make mistake and say, yeah, male member of parliament of this district, or foreigner, or even the citizens of Uganda. They do make mistake that our male member of parliament, there is no male member of parliament. There is only the directly elected member of parliament in Uganda and the woman member of parliament. Thank you.